Hello, Denton ISD family. I'm Dr. Susannah O'Bara, Superintendent of Schools. Thank you for joining me for this month's board meeting recap. I truly appreciate the time you take to stay connected with the important work happening across our district. We opened the evening with the Pledges of Allegiance led by students from Providence Elementary. They brought great energy to the start of our meeting, and it's wonderful to see them represent their school and Denton ISD with pride. This month's recognitions highlighted some remarkable achievements within our district. First, we honored the Braswell High School Band, which received the Mark of Excellence Award from the Foundation for Music Education, a prestigious national recognition awarded to the highest performing ensembles in the country. We also celebrated the Braswell High School Percussion Ensemble, who earned an invitation to perform at the Percussive Arts Society International Convention, the largest percussion convention in the world. Their ensemble was selected as one of only 3 high school groups invited to perform nationally. This is an extraordinary achievement, and we are incredibly proud of their talent, dedication, and excellence. We then recognize the organizers and sponsors of the 6th Annual Denton Mac and Cheese Festival, founded and led by local business owner John Williams and his management team. The festival brings together local businesses, restaurants, and community members each year for a fun and friendly culinary competition, all in support of our students. This year's event featured 23 teams and more than 600 attendees, raising $17,000 to help reconcile school lunch debt for Denton ISD students. We are deeply grateful for their generosity and for the community partnerships that make a meaningful difference for our families. During workshop items, trustees received updates on several key areas supporting student success and district operations. The construction update offered a closer look at new facilities and modernization efforts across the district, work that strengthens safety, improves functionality, and prepares our campuses and the district for the future. Our health services update highlighted the many ways our district supports student wellness, including ongoing health screenings, preventive practices, and campus-based systems that ensure students receive timely care. Trustees also heard about the strong partnerships we maintain with community health providers, which help expand access to resources for students and families. And as always, our exceptional team of school nurses plays a vital role in keeping students healthy, safe, and ready to learn each day. Trustees also reviewed the proposed 2026-27 secondary course planning guides, which outline academic pathways, new course opportunities, and the planning tools that help students make informed decisions about their learning. These guides play an important role in supporting our future-ready visions, giving students and families a clear understanding of the choices available as they explore interests, build skills, and chart a path toward their future. Finally, the board reviewed TASB Policy Update 126, which brings district policies in line with recent state law changes. The update includes adjustments related to contracted services, background checks and reporting, cybersecurity requirements, and safety and facility standards, ensuring we are aligned with current best practices. If you'd like to review presentations, reports, or recognitions from this month's board meeting, you can find them on the Board of Trustees webpage on our district website. Our next board meeting will take place on Tuesday, January 13th, and we look forward to sharing another recap with you then. Thank you for being an important part of our district community and for your continued support of our students and schools. We'll continue sharing these updates so you always know what's happening and how we're moving forward together in Denton ISD.